Hi and welcome back to the Morning Report chart appraisals for today, Wednesday the 6th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. I'm going to move on to euro dollar now, and the euro broke lower once again yesterday. That minor technical rally that we'd seen on Friday, pretty much completely and utterly done now. But interestingly, we did break down yesterday below that previous low of 33.65. And we had followed that up with a downside move today. But there is an element of support early on, very minor support that has just unwound that move initially. That saw a low of 33.47 on my chart. But interesting because you have got certainly these technical indicators on the daily chart are still just in the process, I think, of possibly forming some sort of a recovery on the euro. And when I say recovery, I don't think it's going to be a major recovery. I think in terms of the longer term chart, I think you're probably talking about just a move back up towards that key neckline of that big double top, a big head and shoulders top pattern, and that key neckline comes in at 34.75. And I think that, we haven't yet really had that pullback rally. We had a slight attempt at it, but that sort of petered out around 34.45. So I think you still have the prospect of a technical rally that you could see in the near to medium term on this euro dollar chart that would certainly give you a big chance to sell because it's a big bearish chart now on the euro. But just near term, that initial weakness that we saw with the European session just reacting to this flight to the dollar that has been driven by the geopolitical events that continue to flare up in Ukraine. That has just begun to just slightly, as I said, just peter out a little bit, and it'll be interesting to see because I don't think this. I'm not going to start calling a technical rally just on the reaction over the past couple of hours. That would certainly not be a good idea. But I just think that this euro chart has the potential to certainly build some sort of a near to medium term recovery, and that reaction from the euro early on, in fact it's almost flat on the day now. So I'm just basically thinking out loud. Really, it's just that it could start to filter through. These momentum indicators are oversold, but are negative, but there is the possibility this stochastics, for example, just started to try and form some sort of a buy signal. You've also had the first crossover buy signal on the RSI, so maybe it'll start to form out another one, and you could even see the possibility of a bullish divergence as well. So and possibilities there too, but just the reaction today just is going to start to lead me to think that perhaps there is something possibly brewing in the euro for a potential rally. But at the moment, you've still got to keep playing it on the downside if you are going to play it. I think because you do have this overriding selling appetite. I think that still is there, but I think that there is the opportunity at some stage there will be for a recovery in this euro chart. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.